Considering all facts, a fair decision will be rendered. EVN did not receive proposals for solutions aside of the court from any side, nor have we been protected against the unjustified claims. Instead of that, ELEM announced in its press conference last Thursday, finally begun execution and confiscation of EVN's assets. Therefore, the arbitration claim to Washington against the Republic of Macedonia had to be filed. Pressure from ELEM on EVN to pay 160 million euros for 100,000 unpaid electricity bills customers towards ELEM from 1995 to 2004, which money could not be collected and therefore never has been received by EVN, is endangering EVN Macedonia. The execution would result in renationalization, thus this amount equals the total equity of the company. This action appears not only to EVN to be envisaged as a culmination point, following stepwise, mounting discriminatory actions against EVN, especially regarding provisions in the energy law and the rule book, public attacks followed by irregularities in the court procedure of the first instance. ELEM is fully owned and controlled by the state, so all actions of ELEM are contributed to the government's responsibility. So whatever damage will be caused by ELEM to EVN under the bilateral investment treaty, the government will have to fully repay to EVN. Additionally, the seller guaranteed the accuracy of the balance sheet and gave additional assurances that there was no unsettled balance of EVN towards ELEM.
We are not asking for more, but that the legal and contractual obligations towards our company are fully respected, and we will have to aim at full compensation for any damage incurred. The claim is based on the bilateral investment protection treaty between the Republic of Macedonia and the Republic of Austria, the Energy Charter Treaty, a multilateral contract which has been ratified by the Republic of Macedonia, and the Energy Community Treaty. The signatories are obliged to be supportive, to ensure legal security, to perform most preferential treatment, and not to discriminate against investors, and to fully comply
Цялостно ќе се усогласат
with the legal framework of the
со
European Union
регулаторната рамка
in the
на
energetic
Европската унија
sector.
во енергетскиот сектор.